Today I want to show you a new material which is used in a lot of situations really. Banking game, bring me game, one of the earlier ones. You can use the cards to label things. The ones it's color coordinated as well, so it's great preparation for abstract, continuing abstract operations and just abstract word work. Yeah, so let me show you what I'm talking about. Just have to look for a child. There you are, imaginary child. Come on, I want to show you something exciting. I have a challenge for you. Come on. Let's have a look. I see you put out all the numbers. I can see a 1 in the top, a 10, 100, 1,000. I can see lots of numbers. So where to from here? Obviously, let's have a look at what the child needed to do. The child only needed to be aware of the numbers of 1 to 9, right? It doesn't really matter how many zeros are in behind. You're still going to have the system of putting 1 on the top, 2, 3, 4, all the way down to number 9. Can this be done by a child easily? Yes. So how old do they have to be to do this kind of material? Well, 3¾ maybe. So I think they can do it before they're 5 years of age. Before this, they will have done sandpaper numbers. They will have done the blue and red rods and combining them with the symbols of 1 to 9. When doing this and moving on, you'll be connecting it with something you've given to the hand first, which is a golden bead material. So round about at the same time, just before, the child would have done the box of 1, the box of 9, and now we can move on to the bring me game. So those two parts, give it to the hand first, then give it to the eye, which is this one, the abstract. You're going to combine those two together in the bring me game, which will lead to further mathematical operations like additions, subtractions, possibly multiplications. 3 numbers of multiplications should be fine. That should be possible to do it with your golden beads in your center. There is a centurion game as well, which is a division game, and it's leading into hundreds, thousands division. which a child can do when they're probably just after 4. Yeah, so in the next movie I'll show you how to do the bring me game, so how to put the concrete that you've done and the abstract together and give it more sense, gives the child more ability to make sense of the world around them and to give them a new enriched way of thinking and decoding for their future, because that's really what learning is, to have a new understanding of something that you didn't understand before, that you can carry throughout your life and that will help you to make the world real to you. You know, by making the world real to the child will become real in the world. So let's do the next one next.